Tonight, Gomen, a dish older than the country it is cooked in, from the green highlands of Ethiopia, where collard greens are sliced fine and simmered slow until they melt on the tongue, the gentle green heart of every Ethiopian table. On a table full of fire, there must be something cool and green. This is that dish, not stewed to death in a hurry, but coaxed slowly over a low and patient flame until the toughest leaf turns tender as silk. The kitchens that rush it get a sad, wilted thing. The patient ones get velvet. Servings 4. 10 minutes of preparation, 50 of cooking. Total time 1 hour. 1 pound of collard greens, a yellow onion, 4 cloves of garlic, a thumb of ginger, 1 serrano pepper, 3 tablespoons of oil, a cup and a half of water, and a single teaspoon of salt. Begin with the greens. Strip the tough stems away. Then stack the leaves. Roll them tight and slice. Thin ribbons, again and again, until a mountain of dark green rises on the board. This is the quiet, rhythmic work that every Ethiopian kitchen knows by heart. Now the base. 1 onion finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, and a knob of ginger, grated to a fragrant paste. Together they are the soul of the pot, waiting for the warmth of the oil. 3 tablespoons of oil warming in a deep pot. In go the onions, softening slow until they turn clear and sweet. Then the garlic and the ginger, stirred in for 2 minutes more until the whole kitchen fills with something bright and green and alive. Now the greens, all of them, a great green mountain folded into the pot with a cup and a half of water and a whisper of salt. They hiss and settle and collapse down as the heat takes them. Stir once and let the slow work begin. Cover the pot, lower the flame, and wait. 40 minutes as the greens give up their toughness, drinking the water, softening breath by breath. Check them now and then so the bottom never dries. The color deepens to a soft, tender jade. In the final 5 minutes, 1 serrano, sliced long, stirred through for a gentle, grassy heat. And then it is done. Spooned beside the stews onto injera, the soft, sour bread of teff. A cool green rest between every fiery bite. History and cultural origins. On the Ethiopian table, Gomen is balance. Beside the deep red wats and the golden shiro, the greens are the calm. During the long Orthodox fasts, Near 200 days without meat or butter, they become something more. Not a side, but a staple. The quiet green that carries the whole season through. The greens themselves are ancient. Collards and their leafy cousins have been grown and eaten for thousands of years across the Old World. Hardy through cold and drought, patient in the highland soil. In Ethiopia they found a home and 100 quiet variations, each valley and each family slicing and simmering them their own way. But the pepper stirred in at the end was not always here. Before the 16th century, there were no chilies anywhere in Africa. They crossed the ocean from the Americas along the old trade routes of the Indian Ocean. Ethiopia took the stranger's heat and tucked it gently into a dish already ancient. Today, no Ethiopian feast is complete without the greens. On the shared platter, the beyenetu, they sit among the stews like a promise of freshness. At Fasika, the Easter table, at weddings, at every fasting supper, the Gomen is always there, humble, green, and loved. To serve it needs nothing more. A spoonful of tender greens laid on injera beside the stews, within reach of every hand around the table. Gomen is the rarest kind of recipe, one that never asked to be the star. It was content to be the green beside the fire, the cool beside the heat, the quiet that made everything else taste brighter. And in that quiet service, it became beloved, and the table, at last, is set.